How to fix GameChanger app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix GameChanger app not working. The first thing you want to do is make sure your application is fully updated. For that, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for GameChanger. Out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been fully updated, all the issue of the application will be automatically resolved. However, if it is still not resolved, you want to head over to your settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now, from the list of all the applications, you want to find GameChanger app. Now tap on the storage option. Here you want to tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all the application's data. Once that has been deleted, you want to open the application and sign into your account and check if your issue has been fixed. If the GameChanger application is still not working, you want to uninstall the application. For that, tap and hold on the app. Then you want to tap on the uninstall option. Tap on OK. Once the application has been uninstalled, you want to open Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the install option. Once the application has been reinstalled, GameChanger app should work without any issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.